very excited to make it. It came out better than I even expected. But it is very fun to play.
Yeah, I felt the session very nice.
Arav, how do you feel about the session? Now that I got the demo class, I feel like really joining the QtPi Robotics session. We get the kits from the QtPi people, and they have motherboard and all those stuff to make it.
Remote control car. It took like approximately 45 minutes to build.
The demonstration was nice. It took 1 hour to build.
Amazing experience.
Yeah, I love it.